welcome hotel guests. Your rooms aren't quite ready yet. Please feel free to look around our library. Welcome in.
Somebody's here about my hat flying.
One stormy night long ago, 5 people stepped through the door of Elevator. That door is opening once again, and this time, it's open for you.
Thomas, it's been so good.
You are about to discover what lies beyond the fifth dimension, beyond the deepest, darkest corner of the imagination, in the Tower of Terror. A warm welcome back to those of you who made it, and a friendly word of warning. Something you won't find in any guidebook. The next time you check into a deserted hotel on the dark side of Hollywood, make sure you know just what kind of vacancy you're